Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Alfa Romeo Stelvio versus X3. Let's dive into their performance. The Stelvio offers a powerful 280 horsepower engine, accelerating quickly. The X3 also provides strong performance, with its base model delivering 248 horsepower. Both offer engaging drives, but the Stelvio often feels more agile with its standard all-wheel drive setup, while the X3 typically comes with rear-wheel drive as standard. Moving inside, the X3 boasts a larger infotainment screen with a 10.3-inch display that can be upgraded to 12.3 inches, offering more comprehensive technology. The Stelvio features an 8.8-inch touchscreen, which is intuitive and includes a wireless phone charger as standard. For practicality, the X3 provides significantly more cargo space, offering 28.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, while the Stelvio has 18.5 cubic feet. When it comes to the driving experience, the BMW X3 often delivers a smoother, more composed ride, enhanced by noise-canceling technology. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio, however, is praised for its engaging and sporty handling, offering a more connected feel to the road. In terms of value, the Stelvio typically has a lower starting price, around $45,950, versus the X3's $49,500. Warranty coverage is competitive, with BMW offering 4 years or 50,000 miles, and Alfa Romeo providing 5 years with unlimited mileage. When it comes to safety, both vehicles earn high marks in crash tests, offering peace of mind. The BMW X3 has received a top Safety Pick Plus rating from the IAS and a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. Both SUVs come equipped with essential driver assist systems, including forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the Stelvio's driving excitement or the X3's refined comfort and technology. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals to simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.